This vehicle is the Ahorn 690 motorhome. It's on a Renault base, it's 7 meters long, it's 306 centimeters at its highest point, 234 centimeters wide, and will cost around 65,000 euros. This vehicle will sleep 2 people up there in the bit above the cab. It is possible to make a bed down here as well, so you can get 2 more down here. And as I come to the very back, you will notice you can get 2 more people in here as well. This is a German layout, so you've got 2 single beds which can be joined by the use of these mattresses. This these cushions, or mattresses if you prefer, are for making an extra bed where the television is. Under the beds we find storage. There is access to the garage and more storage, and of course there is storage at the back. There's reading lights at the back, and there's a shelf on either side. There's also on either side a window. This can be closed off via this door. Note there is a step up here, and in the step there's some more storage space. In the kitchen we find a largish sink, 3 burners, a fridge, and more storage. There's of course a washroom, and in here we've got toilet, there's a shower, and there's a sink as well. Large table in the semi-dinette, storage either side, and up there we've got the electric panel to see how much electricity and water we've got in the vehicle, and up there is our heating. As we come in and out the vehicle, we can actually turn the 12 volt on or off depending on what we need. There's electric points throughout. Here we see there's a garage as well. Can of course get 6 people in this vehicle, but the payload, I would suggest you had a good look at that, because there's only about 350 kilos of it or thereabouts. So I did that in under 3 minutes. If you'd like to see a longer film, there's a link to one below. Thanks for watching.